Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best toothpaste is probably one of the most crucial items in our daily self-care routine. Today, we'll be counting down the top 5 best toothpastes that will leave you with a fresh and clean smile. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best toothpastes we choose for you. Number 5. Keep your teeth clean and healthy with this toothpaste. It removes plaque and bacteria for a fresh mouth feel. Protect your teeth from damage with active fluoride. It helps strengthen enamel to keep your smile strong. Enjoy the refreshing taste of this toothpaste. It's perfect for your daily oral care routine. Prevent cavities and maintain good oral health with this fluoride toothpaste. Say goodbye to tooth decay. For those with gluten sensitivities, this toothpaste is a great choice. Keep your teeth healthy without any worries. What we like? If you want a toothpaste that cleans thoroughly, strengthens enamel, and provides cavity protection, then you should consider this one. It is perfect for anyone looking for a fluoride toothpaste that can keep their teeth clean and strong. What people say?
This toothpaste is brushed very clean and has a fresh taste. Great product and price for a 6 PK. Great toothpaste and great price.
Number 4. Fight sensitivity with the #1 dentist recommended brand. Feel confident with Sensodyne Repair and Protect Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Build a protective layer inside sensitive areas of your teeth. Enjoy life without worrying about sensitivity, thanks to the stannous fluoride formula. Clinically proven ingredient offers relief and lasting protection. Say goodbye to sensitivity with twice daily brushing. What we like? If you have sensitive teeth and are looking for a toothpaste that can repair and protect them, then this is the one for you. With its special formula and clinically proven ingredients, it provides lasting protection against sensitivity and helps you enjoy life without the worry of tooth pain. What people say?
It really has reduced tooth sensitivity. There's been a noticeable, almost instant difference since I've been using it. Excellent product, fights decay and adds whiteness. My dentist told me to switch to this toothpaste and I'm not disappointed. Works great. Tooth sensitivity is gone.
Number 3. This toothpaste delivers minerals into the enamel to protect your teeth from acid erosion. It protects your teeth from pain triggers like temperature changes, acids, sweets, or contact. This toothpaste offers effective protection against cavities and fresh breath. It is specially formulated to gently polish away stains for a brighter smile. What we like? If you are concerned about enamel erosion and want a toothpaste that can protect your teeth from pain triggers while also offering effective cavity protection and a fresh breath, then this is the toothpaste for you. It gently polishes away stains and delivers essential minerals to keep your teeth strong and white. What people say?
The tube itself is so much better than any tubes. They've used some kind of higher quality material on the tube so that it has its own slight suction. It removes the cold liquid sensitivity, and that's a big deal since I drink a lot of cold fluid each day. This product works for anyone with sensitive teeth.
Number 2. Say goodbye to bad breath germs with Crest Plus Scope Toothpaste. It's proven to kill millions of germs in laboratory tests. Fight cavities and tartar with Crest Plus Scope Toothpaste. Keep your teeth healthy and strong. Remove surface stains gently and reveal whiter teeth with Crest Plus Scope Toothpaste. Smile confidently. Strengthen your enamel and protect your teeth with Crest Plus Scope Toothpaste. Maintain a healthy smile. Experience the complete oral care solution with Crest Plus Scope Toothpaste. Keep your mouth fresh and clean. What we like? If you want a toothpaste that not only fights bad breath germs but also fights cavities, tartar, and removes surface stains for whiter teeth, then this is the one for you. It provides a complete oral care solution and strengthens enamel, giving you a brighter and healthier smile. What people say?
Leaves my mouth and teeth feeling clean for a long time. I always get compliments from my dentists about how good my teeth look even after long periods of visits. The minty fresh flavor is strong but not overpowering, leaving a clean feeling in the mouth that lasts for hours. It's also great for sensitive teeth and gums.
Number 1. Experience a clean, fresh sensation with pure oxygen bubbles that help remove teeth stains for a brighter smile. Cleans deep and whitens teeth to help fight cavities and remove plaque and impurities with regular brushing. Enjoy a long-lasting cooling effect that leaves your mouth feeling refreshed and revitalized. What we like? If you want a toothpaste that uses a unique formula to release pure oxygen bubbles, helping to whiten your teeth and remove stains, then this is the toothpaste for you. It also fights cavities, removes plaque, and leaves a refreshing, cool sensation in your mouth. What people say?
The flavor is pleasant. I like the brisk mint taste. It leaves my mouth feeling fresh and clean after brushing. It's not overpowering like some toothpaste brands can be, which is a plus for me. A mouthful of fresh taste instead of soap suds makes it easy to brush where it's most beneficial. And the higher expense for sugary sudsy brands makes Colgate's a double value, pleasant efficiency without bankrupting the budget.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.